Hello everyone, I am Dragos from Robot Coupe and I am pleased to be here today in Vera's operational kitchen. I would like to present you today the Robot Cook machine, which is a cutter with variable speed and heating function. Actually, it can be used in your kitchen for making any kind of sauces, any kind of soup creams, any kind of purees, any kind of pastry creams or modified texture. Today we will prepare celery puree, we will prepare hummus and homemade Nutella. First we will try with the celery puree. We use raw celery in big chunks. We put them all together inside the cutter bowl. Put the cover on. Start to run with the machine at full speed. We will use a scraper arm just to scrape the walls, the bowl walls, to have the same texture inside and the same cooking style. You have here a timer which tells you to know how many seconds you will have to run with the machine. I would like to show you what happens after 30 seconds. We stop the machine, and from big chunks the celery turns out almost to a pasta. Now we will have to cook it. It's better to cook it inside, not to cook in a pan, because all the flavors remains inside your final product. Have the cover. We will choose from the control panel the temperature. Let's go to 90 degrees. We will lower the speed around 160, 50. And we will go with time, let's say around 12 minutes. Let's see what's happening in 12 minutes. We will add the milk, around 50 to 100 milliliters, depending how dry is the celery. And we let it cook. We close the lid, just the temperature to remain there. We have two options for heating. We have small flame and big flame. Big flame means that the product reaches the temperature we desire faster. We have also the speed function, which are three options. We have intermittent speed. It means that it turns the blade one full round every 2 seconds. We have the normal speed up to 3500 RPM. And we have also the reverse speed, which means that we'll turn our blade in reverse. It will not modify our texture, our desired texture. It is used mostly for mixing. We let the machine run. We set the temperature, the speed, the time, and we let it run. We don't have to stay near to the machine. And now we will do the hummus, because we have around 10 minutes till the celery puree will be done. We will put the chickpeas, boiled chickpeas. We will put some garlic for taste. We will run it at full speed, 300, 500 RPM, without heating, for sure. We will use also the scraper arm, just to scrape the walls, and to make inside the same texture. This is what happens inside after 30 seconds. You must see. Actually, we have really pasta here. Yeah, after 30 seconds. Now we would add the tahini, the olive oil, the lemon juice, and our hummus will be ready in 1 minute, 1 minute and a half, ready to be served. Let's put 1 spoon of tahini. You can make with robot cook your own tahini. You make the sesame pasta and after that you put some oil and that's it. Or if you have a better recipe, it's okay. You can add ingredients during the process. Some lemon. And I believe our hummus is ready after 1 minute and 20 seconds. This is our hummus, made in robot cook after 1 minute and 20 seconds. So this is the hummus done in 1 minute and 20 seconds in robot cook. Now we will have to see what happens here in the celery, in our celery puree. I will raise a little bit the walls. I need to add some butter. We will not stop the machine. We will add some other ingredients when the machine is running, because we have the lid here. And we let it cook more, I believe few minutes. Till the celery puree is ready, we will make the homemade Nutella. We will use almonds. We will turn them into pasta. It's roasted almonds. You can use it also raw almonds, it's no problem. And after that, we will make the ganache from dark chocolate. Put the almonds inside. Put the cover. The speed, we have it at full speed. And we will turn it on. This is what happens inside after 6 seconds. So there is no more almonds inside, only some powder. Now we have to turn it into a real pasta. Go more. Erase a little bit the walls of the bowl. Yeah, it's going good. It started to gathering together, which is the next step. And now if you feel it, it will slowly turn into a pasta. I will stop the machine in 1 minute. So this happens inside after 1 minute of processing. This is very, very fine pasta. You see? It's very fine pasta. And this pasta we will use it for Nutella, homemade Nutella. If you want, you can have some small chunks in your Nutella, just to show that the Nutella is homemade. It's not from some powder or something else. So now we have to remove the almond pasta from the bowl to start with the ganache. For ganache we will use dark chocolate, around 600 grams. Just put the knife. We just break it, just to fit inside, nothing else. We will use the pulse function, just to break down the big pieces. Three times, 4 times, 6 times, depending on your chocolate. This is the chocolate powder we will use for our ganache. Now we will set temperature, let's say 60 degrees. The speed, we go intermittent speed, which means turn the blade 1 full round every 2 seconds, and set the time for let's say 12 minutes, depending on your quality of the chocolate. Pour the cream inside. For this amount of chocolate, around 400 milliliters. I suppose that's enough. And we will let it cook. Now we see that our celery puree is boiled, the time is up. You hear the sound. The machine announces that the product you put inside is ready. What is important is that the blade will not stop for preventing the product to glue to the bowl. Keep it warm. And now we have to put some salt, because we haven't yet. And run for full speed, let's say few minutes, to find the desired texture, a real puree. For around 2 or 3 minutes, depending on your celery, how dry is your celery, how old is your celery, you have to do it. Now it's more than 3 minutes. I believe that our celery puree is ready. We need to check. Just lower the speed, stop the machine, scrape the walls. Yeah, it looks nice. This is our celery puree. We have done our celery puree in around 17 minutes in total. Let's see what happens here in the ganache. Ganache looks nice. The temperature is 60 degrees. It remains there. And I believe also that our ganache is almost ready. We need to taste it a little bit to see how it is. Texture is fine, the color is fine. You should look. We will let it for another 2 minutes, I believe. And after that we'll cool it down and mix it with our almonds pasta. And we have homemade Nutella. So our celery puree is ready. You find here some very nice color, perfect texture, and for sure the taste remain inside the product. Our ganache is cooled down. We will have to mix it with almond pasta to finish our recipe with home Nutella. Put the pasta inside, all of it. Run it for small speed, let's say 300 RPM or maybe higher. Yeah, it's mixing very nice. Clean the walls. I think it's ready. Take the knife out. The knife actually has some magnet to stick on the bottom of the bowl. This is our homemade Nutella. I will just put it here for you to see how it looks like. The color looks nice. The texture is perfect. This is what we are looking for in a homemade Nutella. These are all our products. So I remind you once again, we've made, with the same machine, we've made hummus, we've made celery puree, and for desserts we've made homemade Nutella. I would like to thank you for watching our video, and we will wait you here in VERA' Operational Kitchen for testing new